Okay, hello guys, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to be doing a video about doing a Happy Mother's Day card. So as you can see, I already did these cards, and if you want to know how did I do these realistic cards, this one I did it easy. You're gonna select this, select that, and then you're gonna bring it over here like this. Okay? And the other one, I took it and put these both up. So how about we start like decorating this one, the first layer. Okay? So I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay guys, if you're wondering where am I, right now I'm in the make your the paint one and choose a sprite. If you're wondering how did I get it and you're new, what you're going to do is gonna go to paint. Okay? You're gonna click on paint and then you're gonna go to this screen. Okay? Then select the text, the T here, and then you're gonna put a text. Okay? And maybe word Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Then you're gonna go to mouse and select it and make it really bigger. Okay. Nope, I don't want anything else. I just want to select this. Okay. I'm gonna change the color of it so it doesn't match this color, and then it won't be really you won't be really able to see it. I'm gonna take the text, put it right over here. That's perfect. Now how about we start decorating this? Let me do that. Okay guys, right now I'm in choose a sprite. Then you're gonna word heart. Oh wait, it's in Arabic. I don't know how. Okay, so heart. That's not how you write heart. There is it. I want the heart face. Okay, so I'm gonna take the heart face, make it the size maybe 70. That's much better. Now I'm gonna change it, the color, or maybe there's a coding, a really good coding for it to make it change colors. To do it, you're gonna go to events, go to when the flag clicked button, then go to control and bring the forever one. Then go to looks and go to change color effect by. Look what happens. It turns like this. It's really cool and amazing. Okay, so how about we do another coding, but for the backdrop, which is this one. Okay guys, so I bought this when I received message 1, when I received message 1, 2 of these, and when flag clicked and broadcast message 1. If you're wondering why, so we're gonna do the coding like this. So you're gonna go touch this arrow, go to new message and word. Wait, what is happening? It's turning Arabic every time. Outside. Okay, and then you're gonna go when I receive outside over here, and I'm gonna go here and gonna do new message and word inside. There we go, inside. Now you're gonna go to looks and bring switch backdrop to card 2 when it's inside, but switch backdrop to card 1 when it's outside. So that is the coding for the open for the closed one, because the same coding will be in the open and the closed one. Okay, so how about we do another thing for the card, which is bringing a square, a rectangle, shaping it, then putting it over here and bring a text and put it on it, and we'll click here, and then when I touch it, it opens the card. So let me do that real quick. Okay guys, so right now I'm in the same thing, which is choose a sprite, then paint. Okay, so you're gonna go to a square, make it any color you would like. So I would like it to be purple, like this, and a bit dark. Okay, after that you're gonna do it like this, bring it like that. Okay, like this. Okay, then I'm gonna go to text and change it to any color, but I'm gonna make it white. Okay, put the text over this, and where is it working? I can't see actually. I'm gonna put click. Why isn't it working? Click here. Okay, I can't quite see it, but I'm gonna bring it over here so you can see it. There is the text. Then you're gonna bring it over here and put it right over here as a label. But you want to, when you click the sprite, it opens it. Well, that's easy in Scratch. Go to code, go to events, go to when flag clicked here. Things bring, no, oops, I forgot something. It's when sprite clicked. You see what I did there? Okay, then you're going to go to where, yes, you're going to go to events again. You're gonna make it broadcast as inside, okay? And then you're gonna go to when I receive, two when I receive buttons, okay? Outside over here, and you're gonna do the same thing as you did. No, well, not actually the same thing. You're gonna make it show when it's on the outside, and when it's inside, hide. Okay? And in the hard face, you're gonna do the same thing as you did. You're gonna bring two when I receive. I'm gonna do it real quick to the both of these sprites, sprite 1 hard face and sprite 2, okay? Okay guys, so now we want the open card to have something like something word in when they open it. So to do that, you're gonna do the text. You're gonna word anything you would like. So I'm gonna word one real quick. Okay guys, so I kind of did a mistake. I go to stage and I worded the text on it. I'm not supposed to do that. You're supposed to go to sprite, then you go to paint, and then you do it. You put everything. So please do not do the same mistake that I did. So I'm gonna make this the size 70 because it isn't fitting. Hello, come on, fit. Okay, now let's put it in the perfect place. And how about we decorate this as well? We're gonna wear it. Okay, so let's do this heart. I'm gonna take this heart. Okay, put it over here. Let's make this also the size of 70. Okay, put it over here. And then where are we going? We're gonna do the last part. So I'm gonna switch this to love it. Okay, and then we're gonna go to events, go to control, go to forever, go to looks, go to change color effect by 25. Okay, and then and also we're gonna bring the when I receive buttons, both of them. When I receive in, but this time it's gonna be different. Okay, so when I receive inside, show. When I receive outside, hide. Okay, and we're gonna do the same coding as we did. I'm gonna do it real quick. Okay guys, so I did it. Now let's see our project. Here is the Happy Mother's Day. Click and look. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. You're the best mother I could ask for. So I just want to wish you the best Mother's Day ever. And I hope you enjoyed and learned how I did this. And make sure to subscribe and like, and goodbye.